Hello guys, welcome to Blaze Creative Mind. Are you an inspiring content creator and if you want to use it on the YouTube automation and you want to earn money, okay, this is your chance to use this free AI tools. Okay, I give you the top 4 free AI tools that will make you image to video generations. So absolutely free. So unlike the expensive AI video generator, this is free and unlimited. So, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get updates, okay, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, here, let's see. Imagine this is a free AI tool. Okay, Grok AI is not just chat. You can use it for video creators, creations like this. Okay, you can go to Imagine. Look at this. You can see a lots of high quality videos image. Okay, just click here. You can edit this shared image. For example, like this. Okay, look, make the painting expand and show some dinosaur. So these are the controls. Save it to your favorite. And this, okay, generator doesn't have any history or it doesn't restore all the previous image. So you need to download this. And if you want, you can share it to the public. Just like this, you can see there are many images. Also, you can get thumbs up, thumbs down, and upscale the video. Okay, here, video presets. So there's a mode spicy. So automatically it will, okay, make videos like this. Okay, yes, I'm over 18. Okay, automatically. And you can see, okay, there's many modes. And it only use the horizontal vertical videos. Okay, but later I will show you how to make the horizontal videos. Okay, look at this. And there's a sounds, guys. Look. Why? Content moderated. So fun. Okay, let's make it fun. And if you want to, okay, make another image, you can go to the chat here. So let's see. Okay, by the way, it has restrictions, so you need to stick to the rules of AI. Okay, so it takes 60 seconds. What mode is this? Okay, it is random. Fun. Okay, you can go here. Okay, you can make your own image. For example, create image. Okay, here. Let's type here. Create image. Okay, of a boy holding a ring that has, okay, power of creating something. Okay, so let's see. Okay, what is the image? Okay, so this is a ring. And you can download this. Also, you can customize it in a fancy art style. Okay, you can try this. Okay, this one. I like this style. Okay, you can download this and you can upload this here to Imagine. Okay, so it will be saved because you put some hearts. So this is basically free. And you can experiment. There are more commands you can search on this. If you want more details, it will help you create more details. Okay, so let's go to the second is this one. This is very common. If you have Facebook, this Meta AI. So it is ignored because it's the Facebook picture, but they don't know there's a video generator here. So in here, we can make some vertical videos. Okay, so look at this. Okay, look at this. So you can create your own, okay, image here. For example, you can make an image, okay, of a flying car in the sun. Okay, so look at this. You can choose the modes. Okay, if you don't want to overcomplicate it, just stick to the basic and don't change the settings. Okay, look at this. Also, you can, okay, have image and videos. Okay, so vertical for TikTok, for YouTube here, horizontal, and you can make square. So here, and there are modes here. Okay, so you can edit the image. Okay, let's create. Okay, so this is basically free and unlimited. So you can use your Facebook account. Look at this, guys. Okay, you can edit now. Before making videos, you can edit. For example, here. Okay, click the image you want. You can change the style. Wow, I like this. So it's my first time to see this. Okay, look at this. You can edit the style, customize, animate. This is glowing. Okay, here. Wow, customize, animate. I'll make the car, okay, more longer. Okay, and you can add some music. Okay, wow, look at this, guys. Absolutely free. What's this? Let's apply. Okay, and you can animate now. So let's see what will happen. Generating video. Here, and just wait. So I think, okay, it's fast and it will help you save time and very efficient for video creation. I think I like this it more than Grok. It has more pictures and you can customize. Look at this, guys. Okay. Look at this, guys. Great. Okay, so we got two. So it's unlimited. Any content you can make on this. So it's very creative. This is number three. AI video tool is one that video. Okay, one AI that video. I will put down the links here. So look at this. Let's explore. We have video in image and avatar acting. Look at this, guys. Absolutely free. And you can have free credits once you log in. And you can become a member. Okay, but it has pre, so there's no need. Okay, let's generate. So look at this, guys. You can use someone's image and you can generate. So let's go here. Okay, so there's image like this. Okay, and there's mode here. Look, video and image and avatar. So let's start with video. Look at this, guys. Image to video. Okay, and it has two modes. One 2.5 audio generation. So this video AI is has this audio. So there's no need to buy another model. Okay, so absolutely free. So we can use this 2.5 and you can adjust this resolution. Okay, the seconds, the longer is 10 seconds. Okay, here look, sounds inspiration. Okay, you can use your other voices or other sounds based on input prompts. Okay, here, camera movement. Oh, look at this, guys. So, okay, let's have example. Here, okay, upload from device. So, for example, okay, this one, image of this. So I will show you other tutorials on the next videos. Okay, but here we will give example here. You can generate faster if you use credits. Okay, we have this inspiration and sound effects. Okay, here look at this track left. So you can change the camera movement. Focus on left, focus on right. Orbit. Okay, I will try orbit. Okay, make the boy lie. Okay, on the trees. Okay, so okay, you can check this inspiration mode and sound effects. So it will take minutes. It will be slower because we don't use credits. So we will see the image here. Okay, after this. Next is we have this one. Text to image. Okay, and look at this. There are more effects here. Avatar. So this is interesting. Okay, create a character. Okay, select a character and speech to audio. So I will teach this okay on the next videos. Okay, and look at this. It's powerful. Photo animate, character swap, and photo animate. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing. So it takes longer. Okay, unlike the okay, I will choose the Meta AI. It's more faster. Okay, I will show you the our okay image. Okay, look at this. Okay, more free, but it will take too long. Okay, so there's the other thing here. You can try it now. You can use these items. Okay, you can edit this. So it's much faster here if I use the credit. Look, it will generate 4 image. Okay, so it's really takes minutes. Okay, so okay, that's one AI. Look at this. text to image, and we have image remix reference. Okay, so okay, it will take too long. Okay, so let's go to the next tool. It's image. Google Banana. Okay, so here you need to have sign into your AI Google Studio. Okay, I think you're familiar here. You can go to my link. Yeah, I will show you here. If you're using Gemini, okay, it will help you a lot. Look, Nano Banana. Okay, so you upload some image. Okay, here. Of course, you log into your account. Okay, so let's see. It's absolutely free, and okay, you can make your own image. For example, make an image of a cat dancing. Okay, select this and run. Okay, so look at this. Okay, and you can edit this. You can add some image. Okay, once you upload, you can experiment. This is only okay for image. Okay, okay, acknowledge. So here, okay, let's download this. Okay, we can combine two image here. Okay, look at this. Okay, let's try this prompt. Combine the cat with the boy in one image. So you can experiment, guys. There's AI, so you can ask them if you want some specific action or specific effects. This is only for image. It's editing like Photoshop. Okay, usually it takes seconds or minutes. So okay, you can use this, guys. Okay, it's absolutely free. Look, wow. Of course, download this. We run, and we have more options. You delete branch from here. Branch from here, look, cat dancing image. Okay, make the image horizontal. Okay, okay, what happened? Sometimes it's restarting, so it is saved. Don't worry, it is saved. And you can okay, go to here. So comment down below. Okay, what do you think is the best tool? For me, is the Meta AI. Okay, make it horizontal. So this is just a basic tools. Okay, I will show more tutorials once we have okay, another videos. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so thank you and okay, enjoy your tools. Okay, keep on creating videos and get more.